Hi you guys, so I'm back finally. It's been forever since I've made a post. I just had so much going on that I'm actually gonna get into in another video, but for now I just wanted to come on and do an unboxing that I'm super excited for, and there's nothing more to say than let's get right into it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting this open. I've been wanting to purchase this for quite a while now and I just was hesitant to, but I think it's finally time. So this is something for my iPad. I was debating on a couple brands, but I figured, you know what, let's go with this one. But you guys, the past month has just been overwhelming to say the least. It's been full of just ups, downs, all arounds. It's been a lot. I did not want to be gone this long, but I just can't even express how overwhelming this month has been. But anyways, I'm excited for this. I got this on Amazon. This is the RAYMCRAFT keyboard for iPads. So I thought it was the wrong one for a second, so here it is. I have the iPad Pro 13 M4. So let's go ahead and open this. Do you want to go in the box, baby Lou? You want to go in the box? So I'm super excited to open this. Oh my gosh, I ordered it on, what was it, Friday? And it came Monday, so I'm super happy. But you guys, spiritual warfare has been like no other this month. It's been just crazy and it's just been overwhelming. Oh my gosh. I'm just glad that I feel like it's over with now, but this month has been tough. And I feel like this is like a nice little gift to myself. I also made an order on Temu. I started a garden and it's coming together. Okay, so here we have it. This is kind of heavy. Okay, so we have the box off. And this is what it looks like. Okay. This is the cord. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Oh my gosh, this is such a beautiful purple and it's like velvet to the touch. I also just did my nails. They're Hello Kitty. I am literally obsessed. And then here's the thumb. Okay, anyways. So here is the keyboard. I've been wanting to get a keyboard for so long. I was gonna get that Apple Magic keyboard, but I didn't want to drop like $400. So this is what this one looks like. This is actually gorgeous. It has a little mouse pad. The keys light up. And you can also adjust where you want it. So let's grab my iPad. I have it right here. I don't think I can have the case on it, so I'm gonna have to take that off. I also put a whole bunch of Hello Kitty stickers. Hello Kitty, My Melody, all of that. It's so cute. Okay, let's see. I don't know if I need to charge this first, but...
Sorry, I don't understand.
This is amazing. I also just ordered new screen protectors for my iPad and my iPhone. Okay, I need to connect it. I think I might need to charge it. Let's see. How do you turn this on? Here, I'm just gonna figure this out. I'll be right back. Okay, I just got it all set up. So now let's take off this little sticker. Oh, that's so satisfying. Okay, I am so happy with it. This feels like a legit little laptop. And this is what it looks like. With the lights on, you can't really see the glow in the dark, but I will make another, like I'll show you guys on the back camera and show you guys how it all looks. But I'm so happy and I am obsessed. There's also a place for my iPad pen so it doesn't get lost. Just like that. And then when I flip the iPad to close it, automatically. Oh yeah, it's magnetic. Okay, so, and there we go. My iPad pen is right there. I am obsessed. This is gorgeous and I am so happy, and it feels so nice. It feels so luxurious too. So yeah, that's this unboxing for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and I will see you guys back in my next video. Peace.